As the community of Laurel County recovers from the tornado, one church in London stepped up to help their neighbors.
Aaron Velasquez talked to leaders with the Creek Church who say their work began right when that storm hit. Good morning.
Good morning, Abby, Heather. You mentioned the Creek Church. We spoke with lead pastor there, Brad White, who says that the storm hadn't even worked its way through London on Friday into Saturday night before his congregation already started messaging and calling him, asking them what they can do to help. They immediately stepped up. We spent the day with them yesterday as they collected items and started their distribution process into the community. Everything from diapers and emergency food supplies, all the necessary items for these folks to help and ease their recovery. Brad says that his church immediately stepped up because their faith allowed them to do so.
My phone began to blow up immediately. I mean, the storm is still going. My phone's blowing up. What can we do? We want to join. We want to help. And so, man, I've been so encouraged by the response of people. I mean, it's just been amazing what has happened from the community. It's amazing.
Pastor White adds that he's not surprised at the outpouring of support from the community, not just the Creek Church. You see hundreds, if not thousands, of volunteers here in London right now doing anything they can to help these folks. And as you've been mentioning all morning, helping them prepare for another round of severe storms that will be coming through this area at some point today. Ladies.
All right, Aaron Velasquez, thank you for that story this morning. We'll talk to you coming up.